Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking yoga Facebook story for your yoga sessions, your yoga account, or your Facebook pages. Now, go to the search bar in Canva and type Yoga Facebook Story. Now, you will see a lot of options in the Canva templates suggested by Canva. Go to the See All option to explore all the available templates. You can just modify them with your own details to create your own Facebook story. I'll just explore for a bit and maybe go with this one. Just click on the template you like and customize it. And now this looks good, and I can modify whatever I want in this template. Here, I can adjust and add or replace anything I want. So if you want to edit the text, just select the text and you can change the font, resize it, change the color, make it bold, italic, underline, strike through, uppercase or lowercase, advanced and alignment options, create bullet points or lists, and adjust line and letter spacing as well as transparency, effects, animation, position. You can just try these out, and that covers all the text customization options. Now, if you want to replace the image in the template, make sure you have uploaded images from your PC, or you can add images from the Canva library. Just go to Elements and search for any image you want. So for now, I'll be uploading images from Pinterest. I'll search for yoga. And maybe this one, or this one, or this one. Just copy and paste it here. In a similar way, you can add images from Pinterest or upload from your PC. Once you add it, it will appear here. And then I'll just drag and drop it, like this. If you want to adjust, double-click on it, and you can adjust your image, like this. Just add your own details, logo, text, information, images, branding, colors, everything you want. Then, to download it, rename your file, go to the Share button, select Download, and download it in PNG or any other available format. With this simple process, you can create your yoga Facebook story in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching.